on.
All right, Mr. Blackman, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and call your case. We'll take your plea. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is cause number 2019 CR 11648. Is your name Cheaton Blackman?
Shaitan Blackman. Yes, ma'am.
Cheaton Blackman. Okay. And you know what the charge is against you, right?
Judge,
Yes.
we have to swear him in.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Sorry.
They're going to swear you in, and then we'll start the plea again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Blackman, you're going to raise your right hand. Are you the defendant in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you familiar with the exhibits and stipulations attached, and do you solemnly swear that they are true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you familiar with the jury waiver?
Yes, ma'am.
And your attorney has explained to you your constitutional rights, and do you understand them?
She has. Yes, ma'am.
And it is your desire to enter this plea and waive your right to a jury trial?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, we're going to do it again, okay? This is cause number 2019 CR 11648, and you're Cheaton Blackman, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you are aware of the charge against you in the state indictment?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they allege that on February 23rd of 2019, while you were in the course of committing theft of property, that you exhibited a deadly weapon, namely a firearm, and caused bodily injury to Diesel Lopez by striking her with the deadly weapon. Is that your understanding of the charge?
Yes, ma'am.
It's just this one, right?
It's also my understanding that you want to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before you do, I need to advise you that this is a first degree felony, punishable by 5 to 99 years in prison or life and a possible $10,000 fine. Do you understand that?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know that you have a plea bargain for an 8-year term at TDC. I don't have to go along with it if I don't want to, but if I don't follow your plea bargain, I will let you take back your plea. You understand?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Corley, how long have you represented your client?
More than 10 days, Your Honor.
And you feel he's mentally competent with the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Then, Mr. Blackman, to the charge of aggravated robbery, how do you plead?
No contest.
Do you understand that a plea of no contest will be taken exactly the same as a plea of guilty by me?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and have you decided to plead no contest because after discussing things with your lawyer, you feel it's in your best interest to proceed this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you had an adequate time to go over all the paperwork and sign all of the plea bargaining as well as your rights and warnings with your lawyer this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will accept the plea, and I have previously been tendered the stipulated evidence in State's Exhibit 1. I'm going to find the evidence sufficient to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty of the offense. I'm going to find you guilty of the offense, and both sides are waiving the PSI, I assume?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to sentence you in accordance with your plea bargain to 8 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division, $1,500 fine. Note that the state has agreed to take into consideration cause number 2019 CR 10943, 2019 CR 10942. There's also a no contact order for Diesel Lopez, Trayvon Williams, and Annika Davis. Is that your understanding of your agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Corley, did I get it all?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. Also note that there is a deadly weapon finding. Mr. Blackman, since I did follow your plea bargain, you cannot appeal without my permission, okay?
Understood. Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right,
Your
is there
Honor, may I
any-
address the court?
Yeah, but let me just, is there any legal
I'm
reason
sorry.
why the sentence cannot be imposed?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, he does have I'm assuming the court is giving him credit for time served on this case.
Yes.
He does have 283 days in on this particular case. One of the robbery cases that he's being TIC'd, he has 402 days credit on that. Is there any way for the court to give him credit for the 402 days as well on this case?
Yes, I will give him credit for whichever credit he has the most of
Okay, thank you, Judge.
on these cases that are being taken care of by this one plea. So if it's 402, that'll be the order. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Nothing further.
Mr. Blackman, I'm going to order that you remain in the custody of the sheriffs to be transferred to the prison. Okay. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Thank you. Mr. Blackman, you can let the bailiffs know that you're ready to go, or the deputies there, that you're done.
Thank you. Have a good day.